How to import and sound effects on Alight Motion. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily import sound effects on Alight Motion. So first thing, just open up your Alight Motion application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. As you can see, I've already signed in with my account. Now just head over to your any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Alight Motion audio pack, and you can see there is option or there is a link which appears over here. There's sound effect. So this is the official helping website or site for Alight Motion to import any sort of sound effects. So just tap on that and it will automatically take you to this page. So you can just tap on this import project over here to actually import or successfully import the sound effects in your Alight Motion. So you can just basically use this by simply tapping on this next to use this as a template editor and get started with your project. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.